My name is Kanyinsola Adesanya and I'm enrolled in the course Software Development Front End for Tech Skool Batch A. Throughout the span of the course, I've really learned a lot. I've learned about CSS, learned about JavaScript, I've learned about HTML. HTML, basically hypertext markup language, is if you don't use CSS, it will just be like a line of whichever text you typed into your HTML. But the CSS is used to arrange, organize, and design your HTML. Without the CSS, your website or your software won't be eye-catching. It won't attract viewers. Then your JavaScript is used to add basic functions or additions like button clicks and the rest. So now I'll be sharing my screen showing you my project on a simple arithmetic calculator. So now this is my code. This is the HTML. So first you start by linking your CSS. Then now you add you define your class. Like now the class, this is like the name you use to access it. Like now the class here that was given is container. So in your CSS, if you want to edit or add something to it, what you call it with is container. That's the use of the class function. Then now you scroll down and you see this is title, but this is the title which will show as the title of your website. It won't show in the website, but it will show the title. Like if you were to search it, what you will search is simple arithmetic calculator. So now as we go down, we see this is how you add your buttons, input, then the type of button you're adding. Type of input you're adding is button. Then now the value you want inside AC. Then you put on click. This is used like when you click the button, the value you click on would show. So now let me go to my website and show you the calculator. So now I also added hover, color hovers, so that you'll be aware that the buttons are clickable. So now you have the double zeros, you have the 10. You can do 200 times 200. Once you press equal to, your answer pops up. If you use delete, it will remove one number. Then if you type a long number and use AC, all clear, it clears everything. In the span of this course, I've really learned a lot. One of my biggest challenge was like at a point you get to mix up the classes you use, because you may have used so many names for classes, and when you now want to call them back, you may forget the one you used and you may link it with another one. But I've really worked on myself and I've gotten used to it and I'm really better. Thank you.